Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something really exciting for all you tech enthusiasts out there. It's the latest addition to the Moto G series, the Moto G85 5G. Let's dive into what makes this smartphone a game changer. Motorola Moto G85 5G Mobile was launched on the 10th of July 2024. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate 6.67-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, FHD+, at a pixel density of 395 pixels per inch, PPI, and an aspect ratio of 20:9. The display sports Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. Moto G85 5G is powered by a 2.3 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor. It comes with 8GB, 12GB of RAM. The Moto G85 5G runs Android 14 and is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The Moto G85 5G supports 33W fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Moto G85 5G on the rear packs a dual camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel, f1.8, 0.8 micron primary camera, and an 8-megapixel, f1.67, 1.12 micron macro camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 32-megapixel sensor with an f2.4 aperture and a pixel size of 0.7 micron. Moto G85 5G is based on Android 14 and packs 128GB, 256GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card, up to 2000GB. The Moto G85 5G is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, mobile that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The Moto G85 5G measures 161.91 by 73.06 by 7.59mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 172.00 grams. It was launched in cobalt blue, olive green, and urban grey colors. It features an IP52 rating for dust and water protection. It bears a vegan leather body. Connectivity options on the Moto G85 5G include Wi-Fi 802.11a, B, G, N, AC, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.10, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, 4G, with support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India, and 5G with active 4G on both SIM cards. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint sensor.